Now we will see the definition of ampere. Okay, we will see the definition of ampere. Before that, you consider this formula, children, which you have derived in the previous class. F by force between two parallel conductors is F by L is equal to mu naught I1 I2 by 2 pi r. Now you can see these two conductors, okay, two parallel infinitely. While explaining these two, what will you write? Two parallel infinitely long straight conductor placed side by side. These two conductors are placed in air or vacuum. Okay, now each conductor will experience force in the magnetic field. Okay, there will be magnetic field. Okay, children, between these two there will be magnetic field. Okay, there will be magnetic field B2, and here there will be magnetic field B1. Now because of this current carrying conductor in magnetic field only, they will experience force, right? Now in this formula you give unit value for all this. Okay, r is 1 meter, distance between these two wires is 1 meter, length of the wire, this is actually an infinite length, in that you consider 1 meter. Okay, and I1 I2 both the current is of same value, constant value 1 ampere. If you substitute everything 1 in this, what will you get? F by 1 is equal to mu naught 1 into 1 by 2 pi 1. So what will you get? F is equal to mu naught by 2 pi. Mu naught value is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 by 2 pi. If you cancel, what will you get? F is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7 Newton. So we will define ampere now, children, right? 1 ampere is defined as constant current when it is passed through two infinitely long parallel straight conductor kept side by side parallelly at a distance of 1 meter apart in air or vacuum, causes each conductor a force of 2 into 10 power minus 7 Newton per meter length of the conductor, right? So between these two conductor of infinitely long straight parallel conductor separated by a distance of 1 meter, kept in air or vacuum, when the constant current are flowing between these two conductors, they will experience a repulsive force of how much, children? 2 into 10 power minus 7 Newton per meter length of the wire. Okay, so this ampere definition is a 2-mark question. Okay, thank you.